put a new condenser barrel in between these two. We got some refrigerant pipe. We got some water, 1.5 water pipe. Got some dielectric unions. The other day we shut the building down and we put 2 saddles and ball valves on. This compressor number 2 is isolated. The old condenser barrel spun a leak, so that's why we got repiped to another condenser barrel. And look at this one. A couple days later, we got the condenser water in. I'm going to put labels on it, but this is the return. As you can see, the return, the main pipe. It's a return. And this is supply. This is your supply. So it comes off. Those two. Go down under the unit. This is a new one. This is our discharge line coming in, but we didn't pipe it in yet. That's where they come from, under the unit, come in. Come into this guy. This is so if you want to clean your condenser barrel, you hook up your descaling pump and you can clean your condenser water loop. This is pretty much how it goes in like that. Our liquid line leaving the condenser, and that's our discharge line going into the condenser. So to the point, that's all we got. We got to do the piping for the refrigerant system, pressurize it, stuff like that. Oil. So there's actually oil in there. You can see it, but it's clear. Just letting that kit drain out. Compressor gonna run a lot happier. Alright. See here we're adding the oil to the compressor. You'll start to see it fill up in the glass. We actually filled it to about 1/3 of a glass, and then once it's running, you could drain out the oil slow and bring it down to the level you want. Right now it's about an eighth of a glass, which is pretty good. It's easier to add a little extra and then just drain out what you don't need, versus if you need more oil once it's running, then you have to get your oil pump back out and hook up your rig again. So we overfilled a little bit, but you didn't see it there in the video. So now here everything's all done, everything's running. On this top pipe here, that's the 1.1/8" discharge line coming into the condenser barrel. Down on the bottom, that's our liquid line leaving. This is our water in and water out. You got 2 dielectric unions, you could take it apart. Just kind of showing the piping. Those that's where you hook up your descaling pump to clean out your condenser coil or your barrel, whatever you want to call it. So then, so here we got a clamp. Somebody put a vibration hose. It doesn't really make sense. Whoever put this in last, the other two, they put a vibration hose between the discharge line there and a clamp. There's no vibration there, so I don't know why they put it, but that's not right. I mean, I guess you put it wherever you want, but it doesn't serve no purpose there. This is our discharge line. Instead of a 90, we went with 245s. So 45's in, and then you got it clamped. And then it goes and it makes a U and comes into that muffler and into the compressor. So you always want to put your vibration hose or vibration eliminator, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be parallel to the crankshaft in the compressor. You want it to wiggle side to side. If you pipe it in perpendicular to the crankshaft, when the compressor jumps, like when it kicks on, it's gonna pull on the vibration eliminator, almost like tug of war, you know, and then you'll see them pop or they'll start to leak. Here, I don't really know what I was showing there, but this here is just kind of showing, yeah, here, oh, okay, here's the liquid line coming up. It goes up on a 45, another 45, and it goes up into the liquid line filter dryer. See here, that's the water pipe. So that's the water valves, kind of it all done. Return water. I guess I was just showing the piping. That's your condenser water piping that feeds the barrel on the other side of the unit. We put this thing under multiple vacuums and break the vacuum with nitrogen, and now it's about after running for 3 days, the sight glass is still green, so everything came out pretty good. Alright, just showing you a little project we were working on, but thanks for watching.